Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Boys, we are rolling through Lawrenceburg, Indiana right now. We are just a few minutes away from the Wild Hoosier truck meet. We're bringing the Yukon out there. Hopefully it's a good time. Hopefully it's a good turnout. Not the nicest day we're having, but we're about to roll up and stay tuned for whatever goes down. Look who it is! S400 singing, boy.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Hey, yo, Moonshine.
What's up, buddy?
This thing gonna be pouring coolant by the end of the night with burnouts or what?
No, because the water pump's already leaking.
I thought you just got a new one.
My mechanic be pushing me back, so.
Jeez, you're bottom of the list.
Yeah. No, it goes
This-
in. It goes in.
You know
with-
why? Because it's an LOY.
Hey, maturing is realizing an LOY is better than an LBC.
Yeah, right. Let's see this thing.
It's all stock.
Did you win Cleanest Bay at Wild Hoosiers?
You know what? I did.
You did.
I did.
You did.
I took it
You
home.
went for it, yeah. No, this thing's savage. I
One
dig
day
it.
it will be. It'll get there.
One day.
It'll get there.
Boy, I told you it would work.
Hey, my ABS light's on. That's my pulling.
Just leave it idling, leave it idling. Oh, those brakes are hot, boy.
Bro, who talked him into doing one?
Not me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. My downpipe's on fire. Hey, give me a beer. Give me a beer.
You should be all right.
Here. Hey, you got Gatorade? Yeah, that'll work.
Squirt it in there somehow.
Put a hole in the bottle. Put a hole in the bottle. Here's mine. Cody Hollers is gonna kick my ass tomorrow.
Perfect. That's how you do it, Mom.
Yes, sir.